Khosi Nation, welcome to Mlexi Entertainment. I know it has been a while since you last saw my videos. Well, to be honest, I had nothing concrete to share with you guys since we all know that Chiefs wasn't active in the January transfer window. They were not buying any players. They were not looking for a new coach. So I really had nothing concrete to share. So I didn't want to share rumors with you guys because I respect you a lot. Bafowethu, ngicabanga ukuthi siyabona sonke, we all see that Kaizer Chiefs isn't playing good football right now. But I'm here to beg you. I'm here to plead with you not to boo our players, guys. Yes, not to boo them. Yes, abadlali kahle right now, but they are getting full points, maximum points. We've won 3 games in a row. Yes, bebengadlali kahle in those 3 games, but the important thing is getting 3 points, and we've been getting 3 points, and our defense has been solid. Our keeper has kept clean sheets. So guys, ngiyacela nje nami bafowethu, let's respect our players. Siqhubeke sibafaka umfutho, sibagqugqumezela ukuthi benze kangcono instead of pointing them out. Spanman uyabheda, guys. We are demotivating our players, and we all want Kaizer Chiefs to succeed. We love this team very much. So bafowethu, asibafakeni umfutho, singabaqedi umfutho abazama ukuba nawo thina, sibaqede sithi akakhishe ubani akafaka ubani. Bakwi Chiefs because i-management imane bedeserve ukuba khona. Thina we are not coaches, we are only fans, asinawo ama-team ethu. Yabo. And i-Chiefs sikuye ngoba siyayisupporta, siyayithanda, yabo. Kodwa asikwazi ukuthi sizame ukuthi beyithi silawulayo. So let us support the players, guys. Sibafaka umfutho, motivate them to work even more harder. Singabaqedi amandla bafethu. It's match day, siyazi namhlanje at 3 o'clock we are playing against Zesco. Let's pray and hope the boys win and keep the winning momentum going. Thank you bafethu. Till we meet again. Khosi Nation.